So all the managers out there, are you ready to end the stagnation in your career and grow up the leadership ladder? One thing that has an impact everywhere is data, and authorities and organizations around the globe are struggling to protect it. This has created a high demand for data protection and privacy professionals. There is a need of at least 50 lakh data protection professionals around the globe. So all the managers out there, are you ready to end the stagnation in your career and grow up the leadership ladder? But confused what kind of qualification can help you become a data protection or privacy professional? It's CIPP exam, Certified Information Privacy Professionals exam. It's one of the most recognized certification in the world today. But how do you crack it? Leave that to LawSikho. We have a specialized training program that can help you crack this exam. If you want to crack this exam and add a new and powerful dimension to your corporate career, don't forget to join our free online 3-day bootcamp on how to crack the CIPP exam from 11 to 30 June, 6 to 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Register now.